Hello everyone. Today we will see what is data. Data is an information or fact that we collect to understand things or make decisions. It can be anything like numbers, text, images, sounds. There are two primary types of data. One is qualitative data and another one is quantitative data. A descriptive information or non-numeric information that describes characteristics or qualities such as color, type, texture, or opinions. For example, description of a product reviews is an example of qualitative data which doesn't have any numeric values into it. The next is quantitative data, where numerical information about an object or events and can be measured or counted. So this is quantitative data which having numerical values. For example, height, temperature, sales number, or test scores. These are the examples of having quantitative data. Data can be categorized as structured data or unstructured data. Well, the well-organized and structured data, which is tables or spreadsheet, which makes it easy to use. For example, a list of names with phone numbers is an example of structured data. Now next, the unstructured data, which is not organized, and every data item is with a different format, which makes hard to work on it. For example, emails, social media posts, which are not organized, or we can say these are unstructured data items. Why data is so important? Because to understand things, the data is important. To make the decisions for a business, we need data. To see the patterns and predict what might be happened, like weather forecasts. So these are the things we can say the data is important with these aspects. Thank you for watching.